Hey everybody, this is David with Parts and Pieces. This is Rocket. Say hi, Rocket.
I don't have to, Daddy. I got the looks.
You got the looks? You gonna go with that? I hope they do. Alright, well, at least you tried. Alright everybody. Yesterday I put a pretty... I took a long video. It was probably an hour and a half for my first video. And if you watched all of it, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this one. Hope you can make it through this one. This one is going to be all the driving, the actual me. I will go around the mower one time and do a short explanation. I said it in the last video, but I really wanted to show y'all the motor. I lost so much time. I did it for, like I said, an hour and a half. I was having so much fun, to be honest. The little motor did great through the whole thing. I want y'all to see more of it. I did run this mower for, like I said, a good hour and a half, and it really shocked me. I did quite a few things I didn't think it would do, but it did. And I want y'all to see the rest of it because that was the main part, but I had to get it past that 15-minute limit and or down past it, and that edit that upload time takes a while when you get it there at the 15 minutes. So I had to shorten it way up. This one, it's going to be the rest of that video, the rest of that drive, with a short explanation of a few things on the mower. Thank you for watching. I won't be at the end of this one. It's just going to cut out. There will be a third one. I'm going to explain a few things about a couple of other mowers I have in the yard. You can kind of get a hint, a little look at one of them right now, but I'll explain that in this video. Like I said, guys, bear with me on the video. These are going to get better and better, hopefully, as I go along. I'm just going to keep putting them on here until y'all tell me to quit. Hopefully you don't, because I'm having fun. Rocket likes it. He's ready to go. He likes riding the green mower, by the way. You will see that. Stay tuned. The rest of that ride from yesterday is up. It's fixing to be up, and I hope you enjoy it and kind of see what this thing really did for an hour and a half. Stay tuned, and I will see y'all on the next video. Peace out. I was driving down the road one day and I found this set of tires on the road. They are, let me see here, front tires, 28 by 10 by 12. That's what's on front. And on the back, let me see if I can see here, they are 28 12 by 12s. So they're pretty big tires. Anybody that has four-wheel drive four-wheelers, or you know, the Polaris, any of that stuff, any of the off-road ATVs things, they have these big gigantic tires on it. But the motor that was in it was a Briggs 17.5 horse OHV. It did good. It was just a motor, to be honest with you. It was a mower motor. To me, it had its life already taken out of it, and I was just helping it creep along, to be honest. You're going to start understanding why my YouTube channel is called Parts and Pieces. Okay, let's get to a few goodies, and then I'm going to get on some driving. When I started building it, I didn't really have a blueprint on some of the things, because when I started with these tires, I honestly didn't know if the whole thing would handle it. I got them on there, it did it fine. So I started messing with it. I added a few things here and there and went to it, and I just really got into it. And one of the first things I did add to it was a gas pedal, which has been changed twice. The muffler's been, or the exhaust has been changed 3 or 4 times. A few things were changed. I have drove it a little bit, and the kids have too. But I'm gonna get to the fun part real quick. Well, no, I'm gonna make you wait for 1 second. Let's do a walk around, quick one. Showed you the size of the tires, threw some fenders on it. Gas pedal setup, simple gas pedal setup, spring. There's the cord goes around. You have just, it's parts and pieces that I had sitting around the house. It works pretty great, honestly. You might be thinking it's a little high up. My boys are shorter legs, so I did that for them. It don't bother me to drive it. I have to work on the clutch and brake pedal. That's something that y'all might see me working on. Actually, you're gonna see me working on a lot. I got a lot left to do to it. But you see the main part of it, the main structure of it. This is what I want to show you. And I think everybody's gonna like this. Maybe. All right, there's a little heartbeat. So far, it's been a great little motor. It is a 173cc, 5.5. I bought it at Harbor Freight. I think it was like $140, $150, brand new. A little bit of a warranty, which was nice because I don't know what exactly is going to happen. It is all hooked up right for the most part. As you see, I just made a regular standard engine brake arm. Just welded it down right here with a nut, long nut, added another one straight out the back with another lock nut. You pull it out, lock the nut, simple, leave it, let it go however you want it. Nothing too crazy, pretty straightforward. Helper spring, here's my throttle cable that wrapped back around to the throttle. Just a simple little hook, simple little helper spring to bring it back up. I do have it set about right here right now. It's not all the way up because I don't think I technically have broke it completely in, but we'll find out here in a little bit. All right. Yeah, I love doing stuff like this. Like I said, my B&M shifter on here. I will explain to you real quick. This is another project on this one. I have 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. It is really loose. 7. No. What it was the belt. I changed the pulley under this to a 3.5 inch. That's what's on this, a 3.5 inch pulley. And I got a heavy duty belt. The motor surprisingly is torquey. Now the mower weighs almost nothing. I've stripped a lot, and what metal you do see is lightweight metal. It's all functional, but it's lightweight. Bumper, rope, I do have plans for a hitch. The pull cord, as y'all saw earlier here in a little bit, all I did was ran it through. It isn't the best design. I am going to fix this. I'm going to get a rubber grommet and replace it with a better cord, because I will say I like the motor, but the cord wasn't the best condition or best quality. Fog lights aren't hooked up. They need hooked up. Most of the basics are done on it. Exhaust, just so y'all know, it is functional. It does make it sound, does make it sound pretty neat, but I did not weld it to it because I wanted it to stay quiet a little bit. But surprisingly, it sounds like one of them little Chinese four-wheelers almost. So the kids like it. They're excited about it. They love driving it. It's a little much. I do have a few other mowers at the house. You'll be seeing them soon, and kind of what I think I want to do with them. Now guys, this is a GoPro 7 I'm shooting with. I don't really have a lot of experience doing it. My daughter does, and she showed me a lot of stuff. Ironic, huh? Anyhow, the vest, I'm not too for sure how it's going to work. I've tested it out. I'm not exactly happy with the way y'all are going to see the picture. All right, guys, I'm going to get to doing some driving so y'all can see what this does. Now, as I'm driving it, just remember, it is a 173cc 5.5 horsepower motor in this thing. You tell me what you think, because y'all are going to be the first people to see this thing, to be honest with you. Nobody else has actually seen it. I've kept it in my backyard and in the back field behind my house. No one's actually ever seen it. So I'd like to see what y'all have to say about it. Honestly, I know what I think about it. I know what I think about some of the other projects I got coming up for y'all if y'all stay tuned. But enough of me running my mouth. Let's get going, and hope y'all enjoy. Talk to you in a minute. I did have to cut the fenders that would grab. That's another reason I pulled these up. You got it all bound up. Not fun. Yeah, guys, this is fun. Well worth the time to put into it. To be honest with you, it didn't really take me that long to do it. That looks fun. Hold on. See what I mean? Look, that right there, I don't know if I can fix that without raising it anymore. And I've already cut them off, but that rarely, that's like the second time, only second time that's happened. It don't take much to get it out of it. You just stop, back it up. And it'll straighten itself out. The thing is, that's one reason I don't like it going that fast too. If that was to happen running any faster, that might not be a fun trip. I don't want to experience it. So the crawling part, not bad. I love it. I think it'll do good in mud. This is one thing I didn't tell you. I have not actually put this in mud yet. It's only been dry days, sand, stuff like this a few times with the boys. I have not tested it in the mud. I'm very interested to see what it does, and I've been waiting for that for y'all, so it'll get there. I don't have a lot of that around me. When it rains, I get a couple chances, but I'll explain more about that later on. Anyhow, let's get back to driving. Oh, wait, let's go forward. I don't think so. Not that one. But I'll take the